This 2016 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country SRS 361BH is a Class A RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2016 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country SRS 361BH is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.